a Royal Navy Sea King on a routine training flight from Culdrose, and at the controls, Lieutenant Commander Hugh Clark. To the officers and men of the Sea King training squadron, he's known as the boss, their commanding officer. But he's best known to the rest of us for one memorable flight on June the 8th of last year.
The helicopters, which had been moving equipment forward, now flocked to help rescue survivors. Despite the risk, the helicopters disappeared into the black cloud, trying to pull men from the waters. Again and again, the pilots risked their lives to save others.
56 men died and over 120 were injured in the attack on the Sir Galahad and the Sir Tristram as they lay at anchor off the coast at Fitzroy on East Falkland. If it hadn't been for the expertise and courage of Hugh Clark and the other pilots involved in the rescue, many more men would have died.
It's a question of responding to a situation. There were people who needed to be rescued. We just went and rescued them, and we're trained to do that, and that's what we went and did.
This first run into the wreck, we'll have a look at exactly what we're trying to do, which is to establish a stable hover if we were going to get survivors.
Not East Falkland, but the coast of Cornwall, and instead of the Sir Galahad, the wreck of a trawler. On a training exercise, Hugh Clark explained over the cockpit intercom how that rescue last June was carried out.
Towards the trawler on a nice day like today, there are no great problems. If we had the smoke of the burning ship coming round, it would be being recirculated by the rotor downwash and coming across and through the cockpit. And it was quite smelly in the cockpit because of the burning oily smoke. And also the visibility was restricted. I'm now at about the distance that I was off the stern of the Sir Galahad from this wreck, and at about the same height, about 20 feet above the water and the rock.
This seems perilously close to me, but in thick, billowing smoke, how on earth could you tell that you weren't going to collide with the ship?
Well, we could actually just see underneath the smoke. If we looked downwards to the waterline, we could see the waterline of the ship, so we knew how far away it was. And we could see the ship's name on the stern, which gave us a horizontal reference, and allowed us to hover. The hovering is not actually very difficult. The question is maintaining the visual references, which was one of the problems we had.
How many people were you able to pull from the sea on that day?
Well, I honestly can't remember. It was about 3 or 4 initially in the first run in, and then of course we went on to the remainder of the rescue, taking people from the raft and also moving people off the actual ship itself.
Now, we all remember the vivid image of you using your downdraft to move the raft in towards the shore. Show us and tell us how that was done.
Well, if I just break away from the trawler now and go out to the right. Clear? Yeah, you're clear. Okay, west the track there. We can have a look out of the downwash over the sea as I come into the hover over the sea. We can see that there's quite a disturbance on the surface of the sea, so we can see where the downwash is. And if you look out of the cockpit window there, you can see the white ripples made by the downwash. Well, I can actually move the aircraft to move that downwash, and I can use it as, if you like, a pusher to push anything that's floating on the surface.
The way we did it was basically to look at each raft in turn, check if there were any badly injured men on the rafts, and pull them out of the rafts, winch them up into the aircraft, and take them ashore. But if a raft had only fit men on it, then we blew it away from the ship side using the aircraft downwash, and they were then safe.
Was that an inspired piece of improvisation?
Well, it's something that's actually normally works against us in rescues, because normally when we're going to rescue a raft, we want to get on top of the raft, and we've got to get the raft through the downwash and directly underneath the aircraft, so that we can actually pick survivors out of the raft. But in this case, we wanted to move the raft away from the burning ship, and it would have taken much longer to take people from the raft than to move the raft. So we used the downwash to blow the raft away, which is the quickest, safest way to get people clear of the ship.
In those few vital minutes, you must have saved tens of lives. It must be a day you're going to remember for the rest of your life.
I don't think I shall ever forget that.